Hey, what is up guys? This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Just a few weeks ago, nag-announce si Lenovo ng mga bagong accessories for the Lenovo Legion Go. It's been a while since they actually announced something for the Legion Go. Mostly, puro mga software lang yung mga ina-announce nila. But no, don't discount the fact that these software updates are very important. They are actually in terms of improving the overall performance of the Legion Go. And by far, Legion Go is still really very relevant and it's really one of the best na handheld gaming devices available in the market, especially here in the Philippines, officially. Now, just to give you guys a quick rundown of the things that they announced during Gamescom, unang-una sa lahat ay yung Lenovo Legion Go USB-C dock, which is actually perfect for the Legion Go. In fact, we have one right here, and this is the reason why we're doing this video. But apart from this one, which I will walk you through later, no? Meron ding Lenovo Legion Go na charging connector, which is very important, which basically turns the Legion Go's detachable TrueStrike controllers into a single chargeable controller. Normally, people would just simply buy 3D printed ones, no, sa Lazada or Shopee, but not anymore because finally Lenovo announced an official one, no, na charging connector. And it's not just simply a connector for the controllers, but also charges it as well. So, double purpose siya, no? And pangalawa ay yung Lenovo Legion Go carrying case. This is a new one because when you buy a Legion Go, may kasama na yan na carrying case. But this time, this also enables users to put all the accessories that they announced on the Legion Go case na bago. Okay? And then the fourth one would be the Legion Go joystick and joystick caps. Just to give you guys some information, when I went to Hong Kong a few months ago, nawala ko tong controller nito, no? Itong pang joystick na to, no? I lost this actually, and then I even requested na if there's a way for me to buy a replacement, and they said na yeah, but it would take a few weeks because kailangan pa nilang i-order. Eventually, no, nakita ko rin siya, no? I was able to find it in my bag. Na-stash lang pa siya doon, daganan ng ibang mga accessories that I have, which is I'm a happy kid kasi nga hindi pala siya nawala. At this time, no, meron ng kapalit, pwede nang palitan rather, may mga iba't ibang kulay ang bagong joystick caps na ito. And I really actually cannot wait to try them all out. And lastly, there is a multi-device Bluetooth mini keyboard. No, importante yan kasi alam naman natin na walang keyboard na kasama ang Legion Go, and this one actually basically gives it that function. Although this does not stop you naman from buying other third-party items or third-party keyboards. In fact, I have one na paborito ko, na ginagamit ko siya lagi. At para sa akin, no, having this, syempre, ang importante dito ay yung compatibility with the Legion Go, and that, of course, Lenovo made sure that it is the case, especially with this new product. I do not know though if they will be bringing this to the Philippines, but I am very excited and hopefully they would, because it's not just simply compatible with the Legion Go, it is also compatible with Windows, Android, and even iPad OS. So marami siyang function, and I'm really happy for that. And apart from that, they also announced a few monitors. Meron silang 27-inch at saka 30-inch. Munti ka na malimutan yan. But then again, syempre, that would pair very well with your new Lenovo Legion Go or even with your new USB-C dock, because the reason why you would want to have a dock, not just simply to use your peripherals, but also to use a monitor. But in lieu of the monitors, since we do not have these two models with us right now, I do have here one portable monitor which we will be testing on the Legion Go. So just a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Legion Go USB-C dock. I believe you can see it here right now on our other camera. So ito yung pinaka-official box niya, no? Alright, so very straightforward ang unboxing at this is it. Pero I must say na sobrang solid ng build ng Legion Go dock. I'm telling you, very solid. In fact, it's made of steel, and it just says something about the kind of the quality that Legion makes with their devices. Not just simply with their laptops and also with the Legion Go, but also even with accessories like this. And if you take a look at the back, meron ditong for power. This is where you connect yung power for the Legion Go. There's an Ethernet port right there. There is a Type-C port if you have peripherals that require Type-C. And apart from this, we also have two USB Type-A ports and HDMI port right there. So saktong-sakto, we are prepared for this. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to dock the Legion Go. Now what I have here, meron siyang nakalagay na shell, no? But the good thing about this shell is that hindi nakaka-intrude doon sa pinaka-ilalim. So there's no problem with that. I don't need to plop this anymore because ito na yung pinaka-dock natin. And as you can see, saktong-sakto, no? Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a use case on how you're going to maximize this kind of setup. Just like the Nintendo Switch, no? The Legion Go kind of emulates the functions of the Nintendo Switch, no? Albeit in a PC form factor, no? At saka PC software. This one is running on Linux, Bazzite OS, and I have removed or disconnected rather the controllers physically, but these ones are now connected wirelessly to the device. Now I'm going to play a game. It's called Fields of Mystria. I really like this game. I'm going to play this on the Legion Go, but first let's connect this to our monitor. So this is, of course, now the Legion Go dock that I mentioned earlier. I have connected the HDMI cable at the back, and we have here now the interface. Yes, while Legion Go is natively running on Windows OS, I installed Bazzite OS on this Legion Go. It also dual boots with Windows, so if I want to play some games that are that do not support Bazzite or Linux, I can just simply switch to Windows. But just to give you guys a quick use case of this one, imagine that this docked Legion Go is connected to near your TV or near your monitor, and you want to play with friends, or maybe you want to just simply play on the couch or maybe on your bed. This is what you do. Now the True Strike controllers are now physically disconnected from the Legion Go dock, but if we do have the multi-device Bluetooth connector rather, or the charging connector rather, we can just simply connect these True Strike keyboards and charge it while using it also wirelessly. So it's a pretty nice concept. Now what we're playing right now is Fields of Mystria, and this is connected again to the Legion Go. All right, so we are, I believe, running at 30 TDP, but we can, of course, switch it up to a different one as well. Let's go ahead and try to whack some rocks. There you go. Let's water our plants right there. Oh, no water. So I guess that's it, guys. This has been our quick demo and showcase of the Legion Go dock, USB-C dock. What do you guys think about the accessories that Lenovo Legion just announced for the Legion Go? Would you get them once they arrive here in the Philippines? And I'd love to know, would you be getting, or would you be interested to get a Legion Go that is smaller without, you know, controllers that you can disconnect, or built-in controllers? I'd love to know that. Again, this has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye.